welcome to the new day on Gbpusd right now. Okay, so we see this was yesterday's candle. Now, yesterday we saw price reach into 136,250 and looks like it's going to retrace. Now, if you look at the structure, okay, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Okay, now a higher low could suffice. A higher low could be in play right now. So what we could be looking at would be Fibonacci, okay, point 1 to point 2, which is that highest high right there, point 1 to point 2. If you want, you could just lash it onto the lows there. So you see the Fibonacci now is not very clear on the daily because of the price action. So let's go into for hourly and let's do a breakdown. So seeing that we're still very much in the buyer's market because of the structure, because of the way the weekly candle closed yesterday, okay, last week, sorry, we could expect this pair to push to the upside, maybe into 13750. But taking it a day at a time, we're seeing yesterday we saw the rejection at 136 to 50. Now we're seeing today seems like we're pushing lower. Okay, now what I'm basically looking out for, okay, on this retracement would be like what I was looking out for on this. If you followed us for a while, you know that we cut a long trade from here. The same thing I'm looking out for would be a break of resistance on the 4 hour time frame of structural, excuse me, structural resistance basically, because looking right here we can see that the market is making a retrace and we found a form of resistance. Let me use this right here on the form of resistance on the 4 hourly. So we could see price trade above this resistance, or if now we're retracing, what I would want to see would be 61.8 being tapped. Okay, maybe this zone being tapped before pushing to the upside, but we have to be patient. We have to be patient. You know, the market has all the way down here to retrace before it's invalid, before we start looking for a sell. So we could dip as far back as all the way down here, even spiking to 135 before pushing to the upside. So we have to be patient and take it one candle at a time, guys. So what I'm basically looking at for now is a further retrace, saying that the daily yesterday rejected 136 to 50, which is kind of a telltale sign that we could be looking at a retracement, and for price coming into 135,625 or even 135 flat. Okay, so let's see how that plays out, and I'll check up with you guys later. Have a good trading day.